Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a filter in Jira. Creating a filter in Jira allows you to quickly find, organize, and track specific issues based on criteria that matter to you. Filters are powerful because they let you save custom searches and reuse them anytime, whether for reporting, dashboards, or sprint planning. To create a filter, start by navigating to the Filters option on the left side of the tab. Here, you can either choose any of the default filters or click on Search Work Items, which displays all the work items you have to create a filter on that. You can build your filter using the basic search mode by selecting fields like project, issue type, status, assignee, priority, or due date. For more advanced filtering, you can switch to JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language, which allows you to write more precise queries. You can choose your space, also select your assignees, the type of work, either standard or subtasks. You could also choose more filters from the dropdown, and also filter the status of the project. As you adjust your criteria, Jira automatically updates the issue list in real time. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Save Filter at the top right. Give your filter a clear name and choose who can access it, whether it's private, shared with a group, or available to your entire team. After saving, you can use that filter in dashboards, boards, subscriptions, or even set up email notifications to receive updates automatically. Creating filters in Jira helps you focus on what's relevant, reduce manual searching, and improve visibility across projects. Instead of scanning through hundreds of issues, you can instantly access the exact set of tasks that require your attention. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.